high energy bills eating up your cabin profits. Discover our upgraded solar, integrated capsule cabins. By BLT Construction, genuine manufacturer, made solely for global resort developers and project investors. No middleman, so you get consistent quality at budget-friendly rates. We use durable light steel frames and metal wall panels, plus a complete set of matching accessories, all produced in our self-owned integrated factory. For bulk wholesale clients, we optimize your project budget and substantially reduce total production lead times. Our integrated solar roof tiles span the entire cabin roof surface, complemented by extra roof solar panels to deliver stable off-grid power. On-site power generation lowers ongoing energy costs for year-round resort operations. We offer comprehensive, flexible customization for international projects. You may tailor the cabin's interior as layout, overall dimensions, and solar power system setup based on your resort terrain, project positioning, and local climate conditions. Crafting unique, custom resort lodging units. Message Angela directly to receive our latest factory bulk price list and full professional project solution support.